Here's a 2018 Lincoln MKX. Regardless of whether you're craving utility, performance, efficiency, or luxury, this Lincoln MKX is ready to satisfy. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: integrated navigation system with voice activation, front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, memory exterior door mirror settings, hands-free liftgate, automatic transmission, automatic with driver control suspension management, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, dual zone climate control, adaptive suspension, rear parking sensors, and V6 engine. Lincoln, luxury accommodations for your everyday. Driving is believing. Test drive it today.
Visit our website at edmorseCadillacTampa.com or call us today.